Hey guys, it's Scott. Uh, I'm going to go over Stream Elements and how to set it up for your overlays, if it's a prepackaged, if it's a custom, or what have you. So if you'll just follow along, this shouldn't take too terrible of time, but I'm going to try to make this as easy and as efficient for you as I can. So let's get started. Okay, so here you see I am in OBS. It is complete blank slate. We're going to do this from the very bottom. Okay, from there I'm going to open up my Google Chrome. I already have Stream Elements loaded up. So I'm going to go and I'm going to select the themes gallery. Now you'll see all the prepackaged overlays that they allow. So black gold, blue flare, force field, red flare, all sorts of things, animated or static. It's up to you. You choose. You're good. Okay, from there you're going to go to my overlays, and I'm going to go ahead and go down to the blue flare because that's what I have. And I'm going to go ahead and hit blue flare in game and go to the overlay editor as put in right here. Click that. That will open up the screen and you see everything that's showing up right here. Click the copy, and that copies your overlay URL. Now for this, you have the wide camera or the 4x3 camera. Pick your pick, it doesn't matter. From there, I'm going to minimize the screen, come down to sources for OBS, and go to browser. Create a new browser. That'll be the only default option you have. Hit OK. And then in the URL, go ahead and delete that and go ahead and paste the new screen. For the width for a 1080 is 1920 and the height is 1080. You go, hit OK. And you are set up. Your gameplay screen is ready to go. Now we're going to add the webcam. So we're going to go down to sources and we're going to go to video capture device. Click that. And that will bring up the default. Go ahead and go down, click OK. And that immediately shows up my C920. Hit OK. Go ahead and resize the webcam video and bring it down to the window that it needs to go to within your overlay. As soon as you get it within a good spot, resize it, center it, and see how it looks. Hey, pretty good. Now it's time to add the mic. From there, we're going to go down, hit the plus button. Audio input capture is our next place. Go ahead and hit that and then hit OK for the default audio input capture. And since I use a Go XLR in devices, go ahead and click that and I go down to broadcast stream mix. Go ahead and click that and then click OK. And there you go. And that's it. So that will be everything. It's rinse and repeat for any other screen, whether you want a be right back screen, a offline screen, a startup screen, intermission screen, doesn't matter. It's all the same. And perhaps next time we'll go over something with a custom overlay instead. So good luck, everyone. If you like this video, then please follow me on Twitter. I am at ShoplessW, and you can find me on Twitch. I stream every Thursday and Saturday night. Thursdays 8 p.m., Saturdays 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And until then, my name is Scott Smith, and I'm signing off.